Aluminum straight malleable iron liquid tight connector with aluminum lug is a type of electrical connector designed for liquid tight flexible metallic conduit. It features a straight configuration and includes an aluminum lug. The malleable iron construction provides durability and strength, while the aluminum lug allows for easy and secure connection of wires or cables. It is commonly used in industrial and commercial applications where a liquid tight and secure electrical connection is required. It is suitable for a variety of wiring purposes, such as motors, machinery, and outdoor lighting.